Abusia ba fonten tafide kase ne so no ensem etwa egu ho. Afempinu ene edunu nan ensem a etwa egu ho de ano wo hye baba. Aya na mempese mekasa ebe yetenten. Oda wuruma yenko enkohwe de ekoso ho no bi emfa embra.
So there was a particular issue. The former MP known as higher MC Emma Asokore Mampong municipal.
Yeah.
Now, on the issue, the non-proclamation general secretary.
Okay.
That matter will be referred to the National Executive Committee for a decision to be made.
Oh, W, this is what we have from the regional chairman.
I call you a bit controversial, but as something that you won't disqualify will be as a regional chairman, when disqualify will be no, you go to contest, constituency executives, and police station coordinators for almost decided we not spokesperson for anybody. But I say I just say I disqualify with you why you baby near the best chairman which be no correct. Because some year we are moving and for be a baby no yes but over the boy. We are not disqualifying anybody. We are then one disqualified credit income. Authority ban our crowd, Gary Nimako, authority ban our war. Oh, Casadodo. That real Casadodo. And to the Messiah, you say, Obia, why you disqualified, Obia, you go to contest. But we are for contest. For contest. And to the end, I'm possible.
That is your original chairman.
Yes, I can say that. Honorable Kenny can come. He has not been disqualified. Minimum of the trouble. In fact, Gary Nimako never even said say they are disqualifying.
And in fact, not only Kenny can come. Was it nobody has been disqualified in Asante region?
No, there be. Yeah, in Kenny penny say, be yeah, and we cut them no be yeah, come on. Young disqualified be certain frivolous grounds, Debbie. And that is why. In the work the last time, there were quite a number of people who were disqualified. This year, the main many. Apart from Niamaka say, I don't know, a border on your party constitution, a border on the national constitution. Because before you can become a member of parliament, you should be a registered voter. That is a primary requirement. And apart from that, you do not wish to happen now. You baba ye, give the chin ready. The regional chairman can say in Sassi. You do not wish, but then say Emra, and I say Nipano. Oh, yeah, they are you can't do anything about it. What he said about a year can come anywhere. Kennedy has not been disqualified. In fact, the matter has been referred to NEC. This is because OSHA, a year press release, General Secretary Depa out 23rd July 2023. National Council meeting on 20th July. It's you make and say MMDCs are what baby I was sitting MPs no. To mean contested our Saha constituency. That is how the General Secretary and in fact that is what happened at National Council. However, the rules and regulations are captured in the forms Nankasa Yedema as far as now. I think the point 15 says the following persons they cannot even because they want to perform and contest in the list or more as part of the category in MMDC count and also not a express. So while you have the release from General Secretary, HTT say I say Nipano MMA MCA and DC over maybe all sitting in peace no. When you I can say wow yeah MC and DC yeah wherever you find yourself you cannot content. It's also there is some level of ambiguity It's an anti-second. That is why if you say here, we refer the matter to NEC for termination. And if you have not disqualified anybody, or we have not disqualified Honorable Kennedy can come. It is just a portion of it now. National Executive Committee for determination.
Oh, okay. But there were some petitions against Maxwell in the same guidelines, I think clause 16.
Maxwell comes from me.
Yeah, Maxwell. But
in fact, but your war MNDC be a sitting member of parliament in Kofi, that person can go. In fact, yesterday,
oh, okay.
For instance, me zone, we had similar issue. Kwabi East. Let me see you. Say on a mini about Francisca Unkubi.
Yeah.
It's about the plan of Uncle.
87.9.
Okay.
Yes, because decision here taking, I was part. First, he can't take him, I'm a national organizer. And since so as I question Mukin, I'm a national organizer. The idea was that, say, to be a member of parliament, now or you more parliament, now with this year, on an share the common fund, so every chairman no development there, and as any panel pursue to know to me to easy or money your concentration of the Hanapa. Or the Hanapa. It is if the MP is not contesting again. Now, DC, the partners or cast still DC into contest here. Then the law is unfair.
I agree with you.
Exactly.
So the spirit of the letter of the guidelines provides that room, but the letter now was explicit because we were clause 16 it says about even 20th September. Yeah.
So share guidelines in the
yeah.
I would say sir, the literal meaning there.
Yeah.
Sanity.
87.9.
But you need to give a purposive approach.
Yeah.
To the guideline. Who find a sanity. Anytime I say, yes, sir. How bad you know to get released? No, because baby was sitting in peace. No. A year MC team contest. Now sitting in peace is not contesting again there. And I don't think that it would be fair for the MC the say a bet is putting us at mini contest. We had a mini conference and we have cleared those people to contest. As I said, in my zone we had a similar issue. I hope Ghpage is sent. Cleared zone contest.
And to Maxwell, there's no issue with Maxwell.
No, I don't think there should not be an issue at all.
I see. For now, one more balloting, everything is done. 27th, will there be any change of the date?
And for balloting, no. So, ideally, no balloting, it is not conclusive. Legally, balloting because the brain man will
okay.
Okay. It is a balloting now. It's not any conclusive, so that BBC now you feel number one. You feel another number two, number one.
Oh, okay.
Another number three, number two.
Oh, okay.
So if you campaign with it, on your own, one away. But usually, yeah, because you mean some might be a bear, I should be at the amount. So that is it.
27th, the date confirmed, right?
Oh, when is that? Yeah, okay, so on the first, we have 20th or so.
Yeah.
And you push it to 27th.
I see. I'm hoping, sir, they will do a fair campaign without any antagonism.
Yeah, we'll be about it to know.
Okay. And I be my men now. I think, sir, Bibinia ever sign at Safro. I'm grateful. Right. Henry Nanabwache Square, the national organizer for the new patriotic party. Evans.
Kofi say minim se bia penifo no around that time no omo trotro ade no omo adwen ankoso a we rules and regulation a governing a process no now guidelines on the buy I won't say a conflict,
a total conflict,
because with the rules and regulation in Yajuma and the maximum qualify because say 15 or say we MMDC I won't even perform cry.
And you should be resigning if you are not resigned by 28th September.
But to go guidelines no so sorry I say and also ya the for free ho. Nti yes omode o ma refer matter to national council. I think say the high decision making body of the party. And me gidi say omo behwe mu yie. Me dey me gidi kire me say omo disqualify obi a because o disqualify we no the court to a be a long process. And obi o be court bi a so no onya lawyer papa medical ka say obi di bem. Nti no omo nyai na omo nko yese obeku aboa sasamo obeku aboa from adware sasamo de ugya ne mane de ne gentle enam kwaya ase a ankeye already baby party na anka se gina no omo hia nkabom no matimi dia akon benim edi se enu nti na Ashanti region Wontumi and mebo me mama Wontumi because yes sabio kwase na nsesa na dwen who say 2020 ne maybe a course na mo party no di party ne dem etine no ono ankasa as regional chairman no wahehye ne niam yiye se da bi obie ne wa ye be disqualify no na party ni nya nkabom no Wontumi fa cooperate to me no omo hia nkabom already no soro ho no nye sorry ase ba omiamo ho nsensem no kromo nkanwie so na say ase ono so sa akose dia na say ni team
then obviously they will have a problem
disaster
just a minute
yeah me fede say e free Kumasi kopem nkran omu yi kwan foforo ya dia ma aye Ghana ya contractors me ya dia ma wo mu ya ma Kofi obubi e free e so na wo de ko atra konongo de ko ya yi no wo tra ya ma do shop bi ono so akokusi osino akosi broni omu si free omu krom no mbeji omu ani wo Ghana hase no a chese Ghana yeye amrofo ne abibifo a sa homecoming omu baaye no aye ba bi aye enu say me ko golden tulip uduru ho ye yipa wunya ba bi no aye a chese Ghana ayeye ana se economy na na ekofom no enam covid ni Russia ni Ukraine war no economy na apeke a na no sa wonam a cement factories bebrebe a woma bie nyina no cement ni nyina asa petrol so ne bo so aba fam sesi am no kase adan a yesie wo de se Kumasi asei fa kwada so da kokohwe na tra saa de wo kwa enkawe wo ba be fa bosontwe kwa yesu a wo fa adwo so kwa yesu a ene de hwe o Kumasi ne konongo nyina ebom Kumasi ana aye kwasie sei na mekonam ayi ba bia ya na wo ta tena ayi cantonment awa Accra meduru hono tesa hono mi hu difference wo New York mu ane cantonment ni laboni mi hu because said ya dan ya hodo a esi koso ye no na Kufuado Dr. Mahmoud Babumia Nyankopon Shira NPP 4 ne Ghana 4 beto about the amount na breaking the 8 no abem
ai chama Wontumi judgment of national development is see adan that's the politicians we all one is then yes no kruma even don't say me ni BCB politicians na esi omo na ebu ansa see filling station omo na nyo omo sika na esi yi of anything apartment akesi okrim na ya na iroho
Kofi me say come masam subio
yes we na men ko na no ma hemfo chronom me and you know the come yam born voice kakra
that's right Kofi me say honorable Amwakwata ne nam krum ha sei krum ha na wa
kruma
minim si wa fact plain course wa fa forms ne
I don't know
I know yasin no ne nam ha
obede
sabi so obeye den ade ayi hia fi honorable Amwakwata wo se ne wa ya achem no onye bi wa Asante mantemase because honorable Amwakwata ama MPs no ebre minim say ye boni o say ye wudi samu
MPs na mo number
no Kofi
masa dia incompetent
no Kofi nya
na to na Amwakwata timiti
Kofi nya omunya na incompetent
oh masa
Kofi
many of them
enra be mani kire bosontwe be mani kire adwoso bosomchene Josu bom Kofi me ne omo amene omo kasa ne delegates omo nhyɛdan enye MPP fo ma me enka ne saa bia o kasa MPP dominate ho eye random sampling and I say me pese me research mu bebree me say obi a me hye bia me ne kasa e wo kwan so ho obu so obi a oh MPP de waya ade o just oh MPP de waya ade o 87.9 ade aka ya kwan Kofi se wo frɛ nipa be 100 e big gina akoma fm anim ha ne ese obia enka ade ehia no ha Kofi obeka sa kwan so they say amwakwata ba krom ha say be shebo
why didn't the MPs hold him up? I mean, Evans, me ya na me worry no. Let us know. Ebia Ghana for amwakwata we think he's not helping us.
And yapia could be also omobono gumbe episode 2 no. Because appear could be born away na say
the
MPs ani no e ko ka Canada friends ekura can for yata niema wo ye okrumu ano enye
Evans yes say
you say ye born mafia ye friends we agogo
china man enku
no kwasem but
etumre bia let people sacrifice for your people. Posterity will always judge you. What I say, and yet the BNS we hear about you. MPs are always thinking about themselves. Many of them are afraid to talk for lose of their power, lose of their position. That is wrong. Tell us, let us know, say, me kind and the mommy lusu. One day when I walk fast, or mama papa no be bekase. Yawafa and the kujina ya wakoye or can't say waiting here too no. People will vote for you. That is what we need to do.
Delegate for Aniniska. Delegate anon work usa time. No man is can need TG. So they are say. And they delegate Ejisika and Sana ya have 2 million amount. So they are say. Impressive body Kofi. Sika me who say Kofi delegate J Christmas no. Na Kofi ti says ke nyina kwa Kofi so onye father Christmas o me kwa ko bobesia na wo de aye it was also protect
Evans obi ahye
na say to kwakunya na be
Kofi asante ametie ya
na so so compare mpia ubetwia
na mini wa wie me de kopem
nti wo mpa wo mpe
enti mimi ni wa wie ye mesori akose kwa kopem
enti Kofi eno so de ye ka ni I mean wo hwe ha no hwe ha.
No, the fact is that Obi Asuma
so,
has anybody compelled you say Kokotueska?
Oh, pepa so besum Ghana.
Na besuma na say Okotua.
And when you abede wasum.
When force is that the only way I bet masum Ghana?
Oh, na say your friend say honhom ne hyewa. Say kosum a. E wo so twa.
We nim the obenya free munti na abekwa Kotua. Dey asa na aka ne say.
Kofi no so wo ho.
E yen hye se chenchina Kotueska na kosum.
Kofi.
Me ba be sum wa Evans obi amaba me be sum Metueska sa ba be sum. Is that the case?
Kofi di akoye no.
We nim the onya free. Masa sa sum ne kwa de obi amfa nche na adwim. Ghana obi ansum yen. Obi a wo sum ye wo Ghana ha. Ye ne ye sum ye ho. Obi aba wo sum ne ho. Obi a wote so okroma bia is not sum Ghana bia wo ha. Obi a sum ne ho. Mo bia mfa na etefo the Evans kan wo boa. Wasesa na adwen Ghana ni bia no wo sum obi a sum ne ho first asem popro wa no ene ye ne ye de amadi president on somwo vice on somwo MP bia on somwo obi a no wo sum wo in fact Kofi Asante se ne de Ghana aye mkonya post amen somwo medical sum ho awie de be ka no ansa na masom. That is how the life has been.
Kofi
what are we talking about?
Men se sama no de tie ne say
o man se sia de
Kofi de tie no kwa
se wo mo say fampie to bra bi
ebi mu wo pepapa so mesum ne mom no som na wo besom no ye beji ne sika ansa ne amana som eno ne ade eda ho sorry ase eno ne ade eden eda ho enye se bia nipa no enni pepa so wo besom o wo pepa bibi hye ne se wo mesom oh na se minim ne nkrofo ne mu bia wo menye om sika se biu enye mpi na ekose ne bibia but ohunu feel say o nyame aboa ama wonya no
asem no eya menka epo ensuo togum. Do you know unya skadu baby a what you say in the part of our world unya skadu baby a you need to protect it. Obi a wanya ni sika o ka ko di MP a ayese o media ni menyam ho dada no wo boa in our part of the world. So unya ska you need to protect it. How do you protect? How do you protect your money? in this part of our world. A power.
But does it despite MP?
No, but despite on MP, but he has the power.
Power.
Do you know the power despite his wellness?
Fine.
Even among the political, but the power MP link with the political powers.
That is
a different approach. Obia will quite to kill a cat. Protecting the power. And unti and as a catcher so who fear who see office no wie na twa so protect here. You don't only need political power, but you need security shade system